There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Dodge Charger GT Plus in granite. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, rear body color one-piece spoiler, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Dodge Performance pages, Sport mode, heated second row seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 104838.